Hi, and welcome to my website. So basically, this website is a way for me to um, use my theme of poetry for the class and turn it into a site that can be used in my classroom. So the homepage is just an introduction of what the class is about and why I'm doing this. And then I have another tab or another page for lessons, and the initial page just explains what each or how I'm going to upload those lessons, and then there are sub pages for each specific lesson. And then the videos page, what I really want to do with that is not only give related videos to the course that will help better explain some of the lessons or maybe explain something better than I could have in class, but also to use it for like brain breaks, videos that are also school related, but can kind of take them away from studying or the assignment they're working on and give them a break so that they can get back to it when they're done and focus. And then class references, I think, is really important, just because I think that it's important to have a list of other tools that you may need to use for that class and things that can be helpful at the ready and easy to access. So for that, I included Poetry Out Loud. That's something that I participated in school and would want my students to participate in as well. It was a really fun experience. And Purdue OWL, because I used that all the time in high school and before I transferred to Purdue and at Purdue, because it's just a helpful tool in general, and I think that it's very important for the students to have access to that. So that's basically it. That is the website I've created. Thank you.